All right, so here is the answer to the warm-up. Should get that, 301.59 meters squared. Yeah? We've not done volume yet, so you don't need to do those. Ben, can you put that down? Thank you. The reason I wanted you to do these definitions in the book is because of the pictures. I hope you looked. This is kind of my original copy. I just stopped writing here because probably you know what the radius is. But a sphere is this. I'm assuming you know what a sphere is. The chord of a sphere, do you understand that definition? If there was a point here and a point here, the segment containing them would be a chord inside of it, right?
Yes.
Okay. The diameter is a chord that contains the center. A great circle is if you took a plane, if you took a plane and cut it right through there, the center, it goes through the center of the sphere. So the green thing would be like a plane, right? It would make a circle, right? Goes right through the center. Make sense? And then what that does, every great circle separates the sphere into two hemispheres. Make sense? Just pretty easy stuff. All right. So the only thing we're going to do today is surface area of a sphere. And that is this formula right here. S equals 4 pi r squared. I was going to list all the formulas we've done so far. I might take a look at that while you guys are working so you can get a visual. All right, turn it over. Let's practice this. We'll do volume later. So find the surface area of the sphere. So basically they gave us the radius, so we're pretty all set just to plug it in. Plug and chug, right?
12?
Yes, it's a 12. So S equals 4 times pi times 12 squared. What do you have to do first in that?
Square.
Square first, and then do the other multiplication. Always square first. You should get approximately 1809.56 feet squared. Did that work?
Yes.
Okay, the next one, the surface area of a sphere is 40.96 pi. I didn't do this one right. That's okay, I can do it now. What is the diameter of the sphere? So there's a couple of things going on here. They gave us the surface area with the unit pi in there. And we need the diameter. So remember, that's 2 times the radius, right? So once we find the radius, we have to double it. So we got some work here. I'll show you how this works. We'll still do this. Okay, and we're going to plug in what they gave us. 40.96 pi equals 4 pi r squared. I got to find the radius, and then I got to double it to get the diameter. Now, we need to find r, so we can divide by 4 pi to get r squared by itself. And when we do that, the pi's just cancel out, don't they? So this is the part where I have to get my calculator because I did it different. What's 40.96 divided by 4? Somebody tell me.
10.24.
What is it?
10.24.
Equals r squared. Now I don't want r squared, so what do? Square root both sides. When you do that, what do you get?
3.2.
3.2?
Yeah.
Yes, but I don't want the radius.
6.4.
Yeah, I want the diameter. So I do 2 times 3.2, and that diameter is approximately 6.4 inches, because it's just a measurement. It's not area. Cool?
Yeah.
Easy to work when the pi is in there, and it's fine. It's just written in exact form. Remember we did that at one point? If you didn't If you multiplied it out, you would have to drop some decimal places off, and then it wouldn't be exact. So that's why they write it like that, I guess. Exact form, yeah. All right, a globe of the Earth is a model of a sphere. The diameter of this globe is 18 inches. Find the surface area of the globe. So be careful, they gave us diameter, right? Do you have a question, Ben? What is it?
When you plug in this 2.2, though, I don't think it didn't hit 48.96.
Oh, it doesn't?
40.96.
Oh,
Right? You could multiply them and see if you get it. Yeah. Okay. I'm glad you checked though. Good checking. All right. The diameter of the globe is 18 inches. Find the surface area. So again, you just have to realize that the diameter is 18 inches, so the radius is what?
9.
Yeah, don't be tricked by that. Okay? Then you just plug it into the formula. Times 9 squared. So you do this first, which would be 81, times that stuff. It's approximately 1,017.88 inches squared. Cool? Guess what? That's it. Okay?